Welcome. If you want to change the chat export format on the Telegram app for PC after the latest update, this guide will walk you through each step so you can easily back up your conversations just the way you want. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're running the latest version to access all the newest features. Once you're in, find and open the group or chat you want to export. Next, click on the group's name at the top of the chat window. This will open the contact info panel, where you'll see more details about the group and its members. Look for the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the contact info panel. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, select Export Chat History. This will bring up the Export Settings window. In the Export Settings, you'll see a list of options for what you want to include in your export. You can choose to export messages, photos, videos, voice messages, stickers, GIFs, and files. Check the boxes next to the types of data you want to save. There's also a size limit slider, so you can decide how large each exported file can be, up to 4 gigabytes if you want everything included. Now, here's the key part, changing the export format. Look for the Format section in the export window. By default, Telegram usually selects HTML, which is easy to open in any browser. If you want a different format, like JSON, simply click on the current format and select your preferred option. This lets you choose the format that works best for your needs, whether you want a human-readable file or something for further processing. Once you've set your options and chosen your format, click Export. Telegram will process your request. Depending on the size of your chat, this might take a few moments. When it's done, your exported chat will be saved to the location you selected, ready for you to access whenever you need. And that's it. You've successfully changed the chat export format on Telegram for PC. Now you can keep your important conversations safe in the format that suits you best.